Hello everyone. Today UPSC conducted prelims examination after the postponement. So we had exam from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. and CSAT paper from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. I expect those who attended the examination in the morning session wrote very well as in the afternoon session. So I want to give my analysis on prelims question paper 2020. So after in-depth analysis from 12 o'clock to 4 o'clock, I came to a conclusion. So these are the questions which are been asked in morning session of general studies. From polity, 11 questions came. From governance, 8 questions came. So overall, 19 questions came from polity and governance, and one question is from current affairs, which I mentioned here. Which I mentioned here, it's a current affair related, which is also from the governance related, but it is current affair point of view. So overall, it is 19 exclusively from polity and governance. One is exclusive current affairs, but which is related to governance. So this is polity and governance. Economics, we got 17 questions. Economics, we got 17 questions. Science and technology, 11 questions. Yes, I told you lot of times, because of the coronavirus, COVID times, we will be getting lot of questions from science and technology related questions. Those questions also I will be discussing now. Exclusive biology, also one question came this time. Animal cells and plant cells. Then we had from geography 11 questions. Most of the questions are from world map, map pointing. 2-3 questions are from map pointing, and 2-3 questions from physical geography. Environment also we got 13 questions. You can ask me, why sir 13 questions, more questions from environment? Because Indian Forest Service is also having the common prelims paper. That's why there is more emphasis on environment. So my dear, I used to tell you that don't neglect environment, but the environment questions are simple. We will be discussing the question paper as well. Current affairs, exclusive current affairs, 4 questions were been there. But current affair related environment, related economics were more in number, but I put it in economics block. Ancient India 7 questions, Medieval India 2 questions, Modern India 6 questions, Art and Culture 4 questions. Famous personalities like Gandhi and Karl Marx, one question was been asked, which I mentioned under famous personalities. International relations, international agreements also together 4 questions came. Biology related 1 question. So overall, in this way, 100 questions were been asked. So more emphasis was on polity and governance, economics. 17 questions were been there. So first emphasis was on polity and governance, then it is economics. Whole together ancient, medieval India, modern India, and art and culture, this all together also very good emphasis, very high emphasis. Then is environment. So there are some unexpected questions. In famous personalities, we had what is the commonality between the Mahatma Gandhi and Karl Marx? A very interesting question. And another analytical questions, to withdraw 1 lakh in cash demand deposit account, what it is called as? Whether we are losing, whether the Indian economy is losing the money, whether there is we are gaining the money. In that way they asked the question, to withdraw 1 lakh in cash demand deposit, what it is actually means. Analytical, application oriented question it is. Pneumococcal conjugate vaccine, which I discussed in our expected questions. This question I gave, direct question I gave in YouTube also, which I gave expected questions. This topic was been there. Conjugate vaccine, if you want you can cross check it. FRBM, Physical Responsibility Budget Management, governance related question. Everyone will think it's polity question, but it is governance related question. FRBM Act. Constitutional governance. What is constitutional government? What is constitutional government? It is in governance question. It is constitutional governance question. It is limited government, or whether it is people's government. Such type of very interesting questions were being asked now. About Aadhaar, everything about Aadhaar they asked. Everything about Aadhaar they asked. Social issue, Vital Vidwan's journal, target audience as untouchables. Every time there will be one question on social issues. This time there is a question on social issues with respect to a journal. Critical cyber habitat, which is expected question from environment. The same question was being direct. Cyber insurance, very important question. We all will be facing problems with malignant viruses. So if there is any malignant virus enter into our computer, is there any insurance? Application oriented question. Yes, about elephant, about everything about elephant. Everything about elephant in this elephant, and in elephant womb, mother elephant womb, baby was been killed recently in Kerala. Because of that, they asked a question on elephant, current affairs related. These are the very interesting questions which I found in this prelims 2020. So questions didn't came from, which is very shocking, very shocking. Indices like good governance index, or any environmental indexes, or World Economic Forum indices, World investment reports. So reports and indices where not a single question came. Government schemes, except Aadhaar is not a government scheme, but Aadhaar which was linked to government scheme, one question was been there, no question on government schemes. Budget, no question. Economic survey, no question. This is very shocking this time. 2020 prelims, no question from economic survey, no question from budget, no question from government schemes, and no question from indices. So this is one of the shocking news which I want to tell you. So apart from this, I will be explaining you the question paper now. We will go to the question paper. Yes. See here, we had questions like carbon nanotubes. What is carbon nanotubes? Then very expected question this is. Then we had about spraying in pesticides with respect to science and technology. Science and technology related questions were trio of spacecraft. Genetic changes can, every year there will be one question on genetics, which I used to tell every time in the class. The same thing happened. Genetic changes can be introduced in the cells that produce XR sperms of a prospective parent, which is called as eugenics. A person's genome can be edited before birth at the early embryonic stage. Human induced pluripotent stem cells can be injected into the embryo of a pig. Yes, expected question this is. Pneumococcal conjugate vaccine. Now only I told most expect. This is why, because coronavirus is there. We expected questions on vaccination. This question was been on the expected lines only. Public key infrastructure. Yes, public key infrastructure is respect to what? General difference between plant and animal cells. Biology related question. And benzene pollution. Benzene pollution is a common pollutant which is damaging the environment. By which factors this is? What are the factors responsible for the exposure of benzene pollutant? Yes, pollutants we need to concentrate on environment. So expected lines question this is. Global financial crisis. If another global financial crisis happens in the near future because of coronavirus, which of the following actions are the most likely to give some immunity to India? Not depending on short-term foreign borrowings, opening up to more foreign banks, maintaining full capital account convertibility. Application oriented question. See, now only I told you, if you withdraw 1 lakh rupees in cash from your demand deposit account, what will happen? Aggregate money supply, what will happen? Reduce, increase, more than, leave it unchanged. Application oriented question. Similarly, we have paramites, which is an art and paramitas of art and culture question. Expected lines. Rakambai, this is somewhat shocking question. Rakambai case of 1884, which is related to what? Age of consent, restitution of conjugal rights after marriage, women's rights to get education. Which of this following was been dealt by Rakmabai case? Indigo cultivation in India. Yes, most expected. Every time there will be something about indigo cultivation in our modern India. These are modern India questions. Wellesley established the Fort William. These are not answers, my dear everyone. Don't think these are answers. These are my students' question. Students' question paper. It is. Wellesley established the Fort William College at Calcutta because which of the reason? Yes. Ulgulun, with reference to the history of India, Ulgulun or the Great Tumult is a description of which of the following events? Yes, this is also one of the question. Art and culture, Panin, Pushyamitra, ancient India question, Amarsimha, Kalidasa. I told you earlier we got how many questions means, yes, we got from ancient India, we got art and culture 4, and from ancient India 7 questions this time. Yes. We got pro-nuclear transfer, science and technology related question. Artificial intelligence, science and technology related question. VLC, visible light communication. Nowadays we will be seeing more about the VLC, visible light communication, what it is. That also one of the question. Blockchain technology, expected question. This is not a googly, expected question this is. Parliamentary system of government. What is a parliamentary system of government? Direct question from the polity, which I discussed in my polity classes where I teach. Ideal welfare state, yes. Directive principles of state policy. Direct question. This time polity and governance questions are easy. This time polity and governance. Who attempted polity and governance? My classes, they 100% they will be performing well. Why? Because this I explained very slowly and clearly. Consider the following statements with respect to basic structure and judicial review. One common agreement between Gandhism and Marxism, now only I told. Whether it's a class struggle, final goal of stateless society, abolition of private property, economic determinism. Yes, Gandhism and Marxism. In the context of India, which one of the following is the characteristic? of bureaucracy. Yes, in my governance class I discussed about it. An agency for the implementation of public policy. In public policy, who will be implementing the public policy? The bureaucrats. IAS officers will be implementing the public policies. The preamble to the Constitution of India. Yes, expected question this is. Gold tranche, reserve tranche. This is also very old question, expected question. It's not new. Gold tranche is there from the long back. Part 4 of the Constitution. DPSP, what is that about? According to the Constitution of India, a person who is eligible to vote can be made a minister in a state for 6 months even if he is not a member of the legislation of the state. According to the Representation of People's Act, yes, Representation of People's Act 1951, governance, direct question from the mains this is. Mains governance topic this is. So don't think that prelims is different and mains is different. We have to do integrated approach. We need to have integrated approach. The President of India can summon a session of the Parliament at such place if she or he thinks, yes, about the President of India, direct polity question. Direct polity question. Aadhaar, I told you now, Aadhaar, very unexpected question this is. Aadhaar. Yes. Then we had Rajya Sabha has equal powers with Lok Sabha. Rajya Sabha has equal powers with Lok Sabha. Polity question, MP lads, governance question, expected question, MP lads, which is there in my class. Fundamental rights, what is the right to freedom, right to constitutional remedies? Judiciary, separation of judiciary from the executive is enjoined by whom? It is presented in directive principles of state policy. Polity and governance questions are very easy this time. When compared with economy, when compared with geography, when compared to history as well. Along with the budget, the finance minister also places other documents before the parliament, which includes the macroeconomic framework statement. The aforesaid document is presented because this is mandated by FRBM Act. Governance related question. Economy as well as governance. Why? Because this is Act. This is Act. So governance related. A constitutional government by definition is a government by legislature, a popular government, multi-party government, limited government. This is the answer of my student, not my answer. But which is the following answer for constitutional government? In governance we will be discussing. Universal Declaration of Human Rights. Then in India, Legal Service Authority provide free legal service to which of the following types of citizens? Yes, which of the following citizens? International Alma-Ata Declaration, very famous declaration. Hague Convention, Talona Dialogue, Under Two Coalition. These are the international agreements which are related to which? Yes, history of India, Aurang, Baniyan, Birasadir, which are related to what? Shatavardinis belong to Mahayana Buddhism. Loktavardhini sect was an offshoot of Mahasangika sect of Buddhism. The defection of Buddha by Mahasangika fostered the Mahayana Buddhism. Every year, as we believe, there will be one question from Buddhism or Jainism, one question is from Buddhism. But unfortunately, there is no question from Indus Valley Civilization. We also believe that there will be question from Indus Valley Civilization, but there is no question from Indus Valley Civilization this time. Which of the following statements correctly explain the impact of industrial revolution on India during the first half of the 19th century? Means modern India. Modern India. Consider the following events in the history of India. Rise of Pratiharas under King Bhoja, establishment of Palla power under Mahendravarman, establishment of Chola power by Karnataka, ancient India this is. This time ancient India questions and art and culture questions are very tough. So it would be better who prepared for polity and governance properly, economy properly, they would be 100% fetching very good. But next year don't neglect art and culture as well. Which of the following phrases define the nature of hundi, generally referred to in the sources of post-Harappa period? Hundi is related to what? Hundi is related to what? With reference to the book Deshar Katha, written by Sakram Ganesh Diosakar during the freedom struggle, consider the following statement. Yes, freedom movement personalities. The Gandhi Irwin Pact. Without that, we cannot complete the modern India. Vittal Vidvansak, the first monthly journal to have the untouchable people as its target audience. As a target audience is written by whom? Which of the following? Kulyavapa and Dornavapa is the terms which are useful. Such type of questions, whoever left it, if they don't know, they are intelligent people. Whoever are tried or gave some choice blindly, that is not good thing. Such type of questions, you have to leave it. Who among the following rulers advised his subjects through this inscription? Whoever praises his religious sect or blames other sects out of excessive devotion to his own sect, with the view of glorifying his own sect, he rather injures his own sect very severely. Who told this? A very good statement from ancient India. See, this time most of the questions are from agriculture, From directly agriculture related, 9 questions came. Agriculture related. From economics point of view, from science and technology point of view, from geography point of view, only agriculture related 9 questions came. What are the advantages of fertigation in agriculture? Fertigation, expected question this is. Consider the following minerals, major minerals and minor minerals. In India, which of the above are officially designated as major minerals? Yes, you have to know about the major minerals and minor minerals. In your Peace Act, in your Forest Rights Act, we will be discussing about the minor minerals, which rights were being given to the scheduled tribes who are living in the forest. So what are the major minerals? What are the minor minerals? We need to know about. Minor forest products, major forest products. Minor minerals, major minerals. Ocean mean temperature. Ocean mean temperature, geography related, physical geography related. Chemical fertilizers. What is chemical fertilizers? Yes. Desert National Park. Desert National Park. Siachen Glacier is situated to which of the following? Yes. With reference to history of India, which of the famous place? Present state, where it is present. 36% of India's districts are classified as overexploited or critical by the Central Groundwater Authority. Central Groundwater Authority was formed under the Environment Protection Act. India has the largest area under the groundwater irrigation in the world. What is this? Yes, groundwater related question. Jet streams, physical, geography. Critical tiger habitat, I told you. Among the following tiger rivers, which one was the largest area under critical tiger habitat? Critical tiger habitat, there is one principle is there. So that principle which follows, those are called as critical tiger habitat. Which of the following tiger reserve is being determined as critical tiger habitat? Schedule 6 of the Wildlife Protection Act. I told you in most of the classes. What is Schedule 1, Schedule 2, Schedule 3, 4, 5, 6 of Wildlife Protection Act? Ghantasala, Kadura and Chaul. Zero tillage in agriculture. See, agriculture related question it is. Then we have India's national policy in biofuels. Expected question. Biofuels is also expected question in your science and technology. Social cost of carbon. Because of carbon, what is the impact we are observing on the society? That is called a social cost of carbon. With reference to pulse production, pulse agriculture, pulse production. Subtropical in nature, frost is injurious to it. It requires at least 210 frost-free days. The crop, which crop it is? Agriculture related. Solar water pumps. Now, solar water pumps is very famous now. In agriculture, how they are being used? What are the submersible pumps for agriculturists, for the farmers? With reference to current trends in the cultivation of sugarcane in India, consider the following statement. Sugarcane in India, agriculture related question. One of the students called me in the afternoon and asked, sir, most of the questions are from agriculture this time. Yes. Eco-friendly agriculture. Eco-friendly agriculture. Public investment in agriculture. What is public investment in agriculture? Interest coverage ratio also. What is the interest coverage? This is an old concept, not new concept, old concept in economics. Which of the following factors will affected the price of rice in India in the recent past? Which of the following factors are responsible for increase in prices? The value of Indo-Sri Lanka means international relations. From international relations, we got this Indo-Sri Lanka, Indo-Bangladesh, and Nepal. International relations, 4 questions came. 4 countries of G20, international events. Kisan credit card scheme, agriculture. Kisan credit card is for agriculture related. Weightage of food in consumer price, inflation. In economics point of view. River flows into world map. Which river? Which flows into which sea? Yes, world map it is. In case of all cereals, pulses, and oilseeds, the procurement and minimum support price is unlimited in any state or union territory of India. In the case of cereals and pulses, the MSP is fixed in any state or union territory level to which the market price will never rise. MSP, agriculture related. Commercial paper, certificate of deposit, call money, zero coupon bonds. This we know. Any person who is reading economy should know about these definitions. The terms, economics terminology. This question is from FDI, foreign direct investment question. International trade of India at present. Which of the following? The term West Texas Intermediate, sometimes found in news, refers to grade of what? West Texas Intermediate. Yes. Earlier, such type of question was been added. Brent oil related to what? Similarly here, Texas Intermediate. Non-financial debt includes which of the following? Non-financial debts. International Atomic Energy Agreement safeguards, IAEA safeguards. International relations, international events. Trade trims, trade related investment measures. What does it mean? If the RBI decides to adopt an expansionist monetary policy, which of the following would it not do? Not. Because coronavirus, we are planning for the expansionist policy. Because of that, it asked current affair related questions. With reference to Indian economy after the 1991 economic liberalization, consider the following statements. Yes, consider the following statements. Consider the following short-term credit delivery to the agriculture sector, DCCB banks, district cooperative banks, district central cooperative banks. Every time it will be in news for all the notorious things in the states. That's why he asked about district central cooperative banks for my economy. Cyber insurance, I told very interesting question. Cyber insurance for individuals, if this is my laptop, in my laptop or in my desktop, if any malware enters, if any virus enters, then any insurance is there or not? Application oriented question. Where each and every person will affect because of this. Very interesting question. Because of such type of questions, I appreciate UPSC. Cultural history of India, in ancient art and culture question. Indian elephant, I told you, Indian elephants, everything about Indian elephant because there was incident happened in Kerala where the elephant mother and the baby in the elephant's womb was been killed. Mother's womb was been killed because of which he asked this question. There is a reasoning behind it. Protected areas are located in Kaveri Basin. What are those? Yes, environment. India's biodiversity, Ceylon frogmoth, coppersmith barbet, grey-chinned minvit and white-throated redstarts are related to what? Environment. Indian swamp deer, Barsinga. It's present where? Steel slag can be a material for which of the following? Steel slag, very much in news very recently. Musk deer, environment related. Rural road construction, copper slag. What is used for rural road construction? Coal ash, pollutants, coal-fired power plants. And the last question is about the biochar in farming. So from these all questions, I am concluding that most of the questions are from agriculture related. Polity and governance questions were very easy. Art and culture and ancient India and medieval India were very tough. And economics where everything is current affair related, application oriented. Science and technology is related much about the science and information communication technology. So from all these criteria, I am giving the information that the paper is tough paper. The paper is tough paper and I am expecting the cutoff for the general category will be somewhere around 100, 98 to 102. The cutoff for the prelims will be for general category, it will be from 98 to 102. Accordingly, you can guess for SC, ST, OBC and economically backward sessions and physically handicapped cutoffs. So, but general category, it will be from 98 to 102. In this range, the cutoff will be there. Okay. All the best and thank you.